my name is Mariah. I am a freelance graphic designer and graphic design mentor and teacher. Today I am reviewing Teachable, which I'm giving 4 stars. For more reviews like this, click the link down below. So before using Teachable, I didn't actually know of really any other course creating platforms out there, and Teachable is what my mentor used. So that is why I chose it, and I've been using it for the last 5 years or so, and since then a lot more have popped up. But from what I understand, Teachable is kind of one of the first to have this kind of a course creation platform, which is why I chose it. I chose Teachable because I wanted to offer online courses to the growing community that I was building around my blog and my website, and this is a great way to get content out to the masses, teach people in a seamless, easy manner. Teachable is really easy to get set up. That's one of the main things I like about it. The back end is very user-friendly. All you have to do is upload your video, add some attachments, you're good to go. It also integrates really well with my email marketing platform, my website, how I like to take my payments, etc. So it integrates seamlessly into my business already. Teachable is a really great platform if you're just looking for somewhere to host your online courses. There are other platforms out there that also have a built-in website and built-in email marketing and all of that jazz that are a little bit better. But if you already have a solid website presence, you have an email list, things like that, Teachable is a really great add-on option for your business.